The Victorian Royal Commission into the aged care industry recognised a number of significant issues with the training that aged care workers were receiving. The main issue was around a lack of emotional intelligence towards understanding what it was like for the aged care residents. Working in conjunction with Southwest TAFE, Start Beyond came up with a series of 360 videos that allows the student to actually be on the floor as an aged care worker, dealing directly with someone who has dementia.
He took it when I was asleep. I had it right here, and he took it.
As this dementia resident talks and goes through a whole raft of different emotional responses to the aged care worker, the student is allowed to answer or respond to the resident with a series of different answers. Depending on which one they give, either escalates,
Just leave me alone, for heaven's sake! Leave me alone!
Creates a neutral response,
I said I don't want you here.
or de-escalates the situation.
Yeah, okay.
This suite of 360 videos has been enormously successful. It's allowed students to really understand what it's like to be on the floor dealing with an aged care resident.
What?
Do you want us to give you some space?
Yeah, space, lots of space.
Okay, we'll give you some space.
It's given them greater emotional intelligence and a better understanding of what's involved to be able to give genuine care to these residents.